Keep your subject centered even as you move with ActiveTrack 3.0. This video will show you the 3 different ways to enable ActiveTrack 3.0 with DJI OM4. Press the trigger once, and the gimbal will automatically track the subject in the center of the camera view. The second way to enable ActiveTrack is to select the subject by framing it with a green rectangle. The final option is to locate the gesture icon next to the shutter button. Enable gesture control, and then select follow and shoot. When a V sign or palm is detected, DJI Mimo will automatically recognize and track the subject, and begin recording after a countdown. When the gimbal is tracking the subject, you can push the joystick to move and lock the subject to another position. Feel free to adjust the composition as you see fit. Thanks for watching.